Very good morning, all of you. I am Rashmi from Lial Public School. Today we are going to start our next topic of word wonder. Before this word wonder, we will do the true and false. So, student, yesterday we have already completed the question answer, word meaning, and dictation words. So today we are going to start a word wonder. In this, we will do the word association and articles. So now, the students, let's start. So first is here. Question number one. Mark these statements are true or false. So now the student you have to know the true or false. So first here is here. Mozart started playing the piano at the age of 4. मोजार्ट ने जो पियानो था वो स्टार्ट कर दिया था प्लेइंग करना कौन सी एज में एट द एज ऑफ 4 इट इज ट्रू यस द स्टूडेंट इट इज ट्रू Second is here, Franz Liszt was an Australian composer. क्या ये Australian composer थे? No, it is false. It is false because the Australian composer is Wolfgang. जो Wolfgang Amadeus थे वो Australian composer थे, लेकिन Franz Liszt Australian composer नहीं थे. So number third, Matan was trained by two renowned teachers, Mrs. Eva Malkin and Jonathan Jack. Yes, it is also a true. Okay. Now, next is here. Fisho is a music composer also. जो फिशो था, मैटिन फिशो था, वो म्यूजिक कंपोजर भी था. Yes, it is true. Now, number 5, Fisho likes Indian classical music. Fisho को पसंद था Indian classical music. Yes, it is true. So now the student will have to understood कि true or false. So now we will move on the next page. We will do the word wonder. Okay. So now read these given words below. First is here you can see the magic here. So now the student here these are the related words from the magic. So now I'm reading one by one. Trick. Here the means of trick, something that you to do something, somebody believes something that is not true or joke. So here the trick means is a joke, we can say joke. Now focus focus and focus. So now the focus and focus in Hindi we can say धोखा देना. Focus focus typically design a trick someone or conceal the truth. वो क्या करते हैं, अपना जो ट्रुथ होता है उसको छुपा के रखते हैं. ओके, तो क्या होता है, इसका मतलब क्या होता है, धोखा देना. नेक्स्ट इज हियर फैंटेसी. सो नाउ द मीन्स फैंटेसी हियर द सिचुएशन दैट आर नॉट ट्रू. एंड नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज हियर ट्रू. Curse used for expressing anger. And next is here juju. Juju means French word means playing thing. Mojo, here the mojo is magic charm, okay, that you imagine. Okay, so now the student, these words are related to a magic. So the words given in the box are related to the word magic. So we can say that these words are associated with each other. ये जो words हैं सारे क्या एक दूसरे से associated हैं. ये magic से, trick से, curse, juju, mojo ये आपस में एक दूसरे से क्या है, associated है. So now this is a word association. So you have to know about the word association. So now word association involves thinking of words that are associated by some common elements. Word association is a form of free speaking and writing. So now the student, in a simple language we can say that Word association is a common word game involving an exchange of words that are associated together. जो ये words होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, associate क्या होते हैं, एक दूसरे से associate होते हैं. So we can develop our vocabulary. हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अपनी जो vocabulary है वो develop कर सकते हैं. It is just like a game. If I'm giving you a word black, so you can understand the word black. Now you say that ma'am, black shirt, black hole. So you can associate the other words from this magic, from the word black. So now you can notice the magic is a word and these are the other words associated with word magic. So I'm giving you other example. So here that write as many words as you can think of that can be associated with these words. Okay, so now the student, you can notice here nature. Here the other word associated with nature, what we write the nature here, we can write here, what we write, animals. Okay, animals. We can write waterfall, or we can write plants. Okay student. Now second is here voice. Voice क्या होता है, एक जल यात्रा, सेल बोलते हैं हम इसको. ठीक है. So now here first one is here, we can associate it with word trip. Okay, trip. Next one is here world. Okay, and next one is here we can say SEC. So when you think about these words, you can notice that these are the word association. We can write down this word here. Okay, so here the next word is here mountains. So we can write the other word association hills. Okay, so now next one is here snow. Okay, and next word related to these mountains cold. Okay, so you can notice these words are related to each other. So our next word is here number 4, summer. So we can use a word association like ice cream. Okay, now next one is here cotton clothes. Okay, cotton clothes. And next one is here is sun. We can also write the word sun is also we can write. Okay, so now student, you have to understood these words. These words are called a word association. So you can notice here we write the nature. There is a word is a nature. So we can write the words animals, waterfalls, plants, mountains. So next word is a mountains. So we can write the word association hills. Snow in our mind, we can use the cold as a word association. So now I hope you have to understood the words of this word association. So now we move on the next topic. Yes, our next topic is here is related to determiner and articles. So now let's start. Read the sentence. Okay, read the sentences. First is here, Ephraim Duke was an ancient king of Caliber. Okay, now second is here, the sweets in this box are delicious. Third one is here, the girl in the red dress is my sister. So now the student, the highlighted words in the sentences are called determinants. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं highlighted words, the and, this and my, it is called a determinant. So now student, what is determinant? So you have to understood what is determinant. So let's start. A determiner is used before a noun or an adjective. Okay students, determiner क्या होते हैं, is used before, किसे पहले use करते हैं, before a noun or an adjective. Now student, you have to understood what is noun. Noun is the name of the person, place or animal, or an adjective. Here the adjective means that it is a word that tells you more about the noun, describing the noun to indicate which particular person or thing we are referring to. Okay, it does not describe a noun but points it out. कि स्टूडेंट इट डज नॉट, डिटरमिनर क्या होता है, इट डज नॉट डिस्क्राइब, वो पूरे डिस्क्राइब नहीं करते नाम को, बट इट ओनली पॉइंट्स इट आउट, वो इसको क्या करते हैं, पॉइंट आउट कर सकते हैं। जैसे देखिए डिटरमिनर जो आते हैं वो किससे पहले यूज आते हैं, डिटरमिनर नाउन बिफोर, वी कैन यूज डिटरमिनर बिफोर नाउन or an adjective. So it describes the noun to indicate the particular person or thing what we referring in the sentence. Okay, now there are 6 different kinds of determiners. First is here articles, demonstrative, possessive, interrogatives, quantifiers and distributives. So now here we will read about only articles here. So now read these sentences. The king has a magic drum. So here you notice the, and here the tortoise wanted the magic drum. Third one is here, the magic drum was an amazing instrument. So now these latest words are articles. So student, you have to know that what is articles. So an article is a word that precedes and modify a noun. Articles क्या होते हैं, वो क्या करते हैं, precede, precede का मतलब क्या होता है, पहले यूज आते हैं, and modify a noun. We modify also means that we can change a noun. It may be used to specify a general thing or something in particular. और क्या होते हैं ये, it may be used to specify, मतलब किसी भी particular, हम किसी particular किसी की general बात करते हैं या generally हम बात करते हैं, तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे, article यूज करेंगे. So now I am sharing a video related to articles.
Are determiners used before nouns and sometimes adjectives. A comes before singular nouns that begin with a consonant sound.
For example, a rat, a unit, a xylophone. An comes before singular nouns that begin with a vowel sound or a mute age. For example, an adult, an X-ray, an heiress.
A or an. A indefinite article.
We use them to speak of someone or something for the first time.
A and an are used with a noun in general.
For example, we have a test tomorrow.
Ved wants to be an umpire. The is a definite article used to point out a noun. The articles a, an, and the can be used before an adjective that comes before a noun. For example, our school has got a new captain. The new captain was elected last week. He is an intelligent boy.
We use the when a person, place, animal, or thing is mentioned a second time. For example, we have a test tomorrow. We want to do well in the test. We use the when it is clear which person, place, animal, or thing is being referred to. For example, we had 2 glass jars, a red one and an amber one. The amber jar was very expensive. We use the when there is only one such thing. For example, the moon, the sun, etc. We use the when naming a noun that refers to an entire group of its kind. For example, the whale is a mammal. We use the before ordinal numbers, before superlative adjectives. For example, the second seat in that row is mine. You are the best. We do not use the definite article the before names of games. We use the with the following proper nouns. Names of oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Names of rivers and seas. The Ganges is a sacred river. Names of deserts. The Thar Desert is in western India. Names of landmarks. I live behind the fire station. Names of monuments. The Taj Mahal is an epitome of love. Names of natural wonders. The Niagara Falls are in North America. Names of places containing the word of. The United States of America is a democratic country. Names of places ending in plural s. The British Isles are a group of islands off the northwestern coast of Europe. Names of newspapers, magazines and books. The Times of India is a popular English newspaper. Names of hotels and restaurants. The Land's End Hotel is near the shore. We do not use the with the following proper nouns.
The names of continents, streets, and most countries. Names of lakes and mountains. Names of days, months, and festivals. And names of people.
So now, student, you have to understand the what is articles. So now the student, I am repeating again, the articles are characterized into two different types based on their uses. Okay, first is definite articles and second is indefinite articles. Though the articles the comes in the list of definite articles, it shows uniqueness or specific things. So now the second one is here a or an comes in the list of indefinite articles. It does not show any specific or unique things. Instead, it shows the things is being shared in general. So now the student, you have to know that there are 26 letters in English, out of which 5 are vowels and 21 consonants. So and 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So now the rest are 21 are consonant. So now if the word is beginning with a vowel sound N is used, or if the word is beginning a consonant sound A is used here. So now let's start our exercise. The first is here, fill in the blanks with suitable articles. One has been done for you. First is here, Priya borrowed a book from the library yesterday. So we use a article a from the book. Here you notice that book is also a noun. Book kya hai? यहाँ पे noun है. So we use a book. So now the student, we do not say that it is a particular maths book, we particular English book. We can only say a book. So here we use a article. So next one is here, dash. Doctor asked Mary to rest for a week. So here we talk about the doctor. So now here we use the article the. Okay, we use the article the. Okay. Now next one is here. Yes. Lida brought dash sandwich and dash orange for a lunch today. So now the student, Lida brought dash a sandwich. So here we use a article a. We use the article a. Okay. Next one is here and orange. Orange for a lunch time. So here we use an article. Okay. Why we use an article? Because it is sound a vowel. Here the sound vowel is orange. So here we use a an articles. So now next number 4 is here. I went to dash market to buy some vegetable. So here we use the I went to the market. Okay, to buy some vegetables. So next one is here. Nitya saw dash elephants near the stream in the forest. So Nitya ने क्या देखा? Near Nitya saw an elephant. Why we use an? Because elephant is a sound is a जो आपका जो sound कर रहा है elephant से किससे sound कर रहा है ये vowel sound कर रहा है तो here we use an articles. Okay, now number 6 is here. I got dash toy car for my birthday. So here we don't know about the particular toy, so we use a article. Okay student, so now I got dash toy car for my birthday. So now student, you have noticed that where we use a, where we use the, and where we use an article. So now in the English, formal English, we something use these when we are mention someone for the first time. जब हम किसी को first time use करते हैं हम क्या use कर रहे हैं? देखिए, for example, then this man walked up to me and asked me for the direction. We use that. Okay, now student, we use that. You can see the help box here. देखिए, in this box you can see in the formal English we sometimes use this when we are mentioning someone for the first time. हम क्या करते हैं? Sometimes कई बार हम this use करते हैं when we mentioning someone for the first time. For example, then and then this man walked up to me and asked me for directions. So we use that in front of a noun to refer to people that are already known to the person we are speaking to. For example, do you remember that cute little girl with a mole on her cheek? So this is we notice in a demonstrative pronouns. So we use this in the demonstrative pronoun. We will do this exercise tomorrow.